6 runners headlined by the Anthony Nunes-trained Barnaby, who won last year's staging, will go postward in Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
At least 4 of the 6 runners appear to be in with a chance of landing the Chairman's Trophy, a 3-year-old and up, graded stakes and open allowance contest over 7.5 furlongs. The US-bred Barnaby from the stables of 3-time former champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes and to be ridden by 2-time reigning champion jockey Radesh Roman is the even money Ante-Post favourite. He's followed in the overnight odds by Pack Plays at 9-5 with former champion jockey Christopher Mamdeen, Gervano with Robert Halladine at 5-2, and Interesting Times Ahead to be partnered by apprentice Shaheem Gordon at 4-1. The field is completed by California Crown with Jerome Innis and Provident to be ridden by Jordan Barrett. Ricardo Matthews' Speedball Pack Plays, who is seeking back-to-back victories, will attempt to make all the running but is expected to be kept honest on the headlines by California Crown. However, Pack Plays, who went from gate to wire in the Eileen Cliggott Memorial Trophy going 6.5 furlongs on January 31, may be a bit suspect going a furlong longer this time around, which could set up the race for the late closers. Barnaby, who is also seeking back-to-back victories, will surely get the distance, and having campaigned in Grade 1 company in the past, the 5-year-old bay horse could record his second consecutive victory in just under 2 weeks. He has had a pretty easy build-up coming into this assignment, and despite toting top weight of 126 pounds, he could very well land the major share. The Jason Acosta pair of Gervano and Interesting Times Ahead are also dangerous contenders who could figure prominently in the outcome. The feature event is slated as race number 8 at 4:15 p.m., while first post for the 10-race card is 11:35 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.